In the year 1685, a dark shadow fell upon the Kingdom of England. King James II, a devout Catholic, ascended to the throne, sparking fear among the Protestant population. His attempts to favor Catholicism over Protestantism, coupled with his autocratic rule, ignited a storm of discontent among the people. The monarch's heavy-handed policies, including the suspension of Parliament and the imposition of religious practices contrary to the Anglican Church, fueled widespread unrest. The tension reached a boiling point as the king's second daughter, Princess Anne, married a Protestant prince from Denmark, William of Orange. As the situation worsened, a group of powerful Whig politicians, led by John Churchill and Anthony Ashley Cooper, rallied the opposition. In alliance with the Dutch prince, they sought to depose King James and install Anne's husband as the rightful ruler of England. In June 1688, William of Orange landed on English soil with a small army. His troops marched towards London, meeting minimal resistance from James's forces. The king, fearing for his life, fled the capital, leaving the city open to the incoming Dutch army. The people of London welcomed William of Orange as a savior, hailing him as a champion of their Protestant faith. On November 5, James II abdicated the throne, and William and Mary, now joint monarchs, were welcomed as the new rulers of England. The Glorious Revolution marked a turning point in English history. It established the supremacy of Parliament and the Protestant Church, and it ushered in a new era of constitutional monarchy. The Revolution also laid the groundwork for the Bill of Rights, which limited the power of the monarchy and protected the rights of English citizens. In the aftermath of the Revolution, William and Mary ruled with a firm but fair hand. They worked to reconcile the kingdom, ensuring that the Glorious Revolution would not lead to further unrest. The legacy of the Glorious Revolution continues to shape the political landscape of England to this day. The Glorious Revolution is a testament to the power of the people, demonstrating that even a monarchy can be held accountable to its subjects. It stands as a reminder that the course of history can be altered by the actions of individuals, and that the will of the people can triumph over tyranny.